Hi guys, welcome back to What a Day. We're on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia. You wouldn't think it was the Sunshine Coast because we've been getting rained on for the last month and a half, 2 months now, since Christmas easily, so it's longer. Everywhere that you normally ride is totally flooded. We're doing a little bit of single track here with a good friend Miles, and any of the puddles that you sort of see on this track, believe me, if you go through them, you'll be digging yourself out there, just slosh. But yeah, we're doing our best to get around them. We can't go too hard in a sense that it is just so wet and slippery. But I hope you really enjoyed the vid. I tried my best to put it up there. I'm still getting used to this programming, editing software. But it's I'm still running the Moose tubes. This is still the first ride with them, so they haven't softened up. I'm going to go to a golden tyre Grumpy, which I'll pick up today and throw on it, hopefully before the weekend. Also getting the suspension completely redone by Full Force here in Queensland, Maroochydore, Sunshine Coast, renowned for doing suspensions on all motorbikes, and V8 supercars. They do all the Enduro champion bikes, not that I'm one of those blokes, and race bikes. I wish I was, in being able to ride like those buggers. But they've also got a dyno, which they set up for your weight and your ride style, and the dyno tells them what sort of shims and springs and everything. It's amazing what these guys can do. They machine parts for your suspension, so they ship stuff all over the world too. So guys, if you're looking for some suspension work done on the Xtrainers or any of your bikes, drop them an email. I'll put a link down the bottom of the page for them, and I'm sure the boys will look after you. They're also golden tyre importers here in Australia. So yeah, if you've got any comments, leave them down the bottom. I'll definitely get back to you. And thanks for watching. And as they say, what a day. Righto guys, stay safe, ride well, live life, and enjoy your days. Thanks, champs. Go through. Hey?
Nice soft landing though.
Sorry?
Nice and soft there.
Yeah. It just grabbed me there as I come through.
Oh yeah. As soon as I touched it, it just went like that.
Yeah. Whoa. You right?
Yeah. I don't know what I hit.
Tree stump. Yeah, I hit it as well. What, hit it with your boot? Hit it with your boot?
I think I caught something, yeah.
Yeah, there's a tree stump
Is that
sticking out like that.
Yeah.
I caught it as well.
Oh, right, I just destroyed it. So.
See, I don't know if you can see that worm hanging down.
Yeah. Oh, we've been just running into them the whole time, yeah.
Right. Great little single track this, eh?